Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the username on your Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you need to open the system settings for changing your username. So just click on this system settings icon on the dock, or you can click on the Apple logo on the top and then select system settings option here. Now on the left hand menu, just scroll down where you will see this option which says users and groups. So just select this option. And on the right hand side, you will be able to see the list of all the users and groups. Now, in order to change the username, you need to be an administrator of that account at least, right? So you can see I have this username. Let's say I want to change this username. What I need to do is I just need to hover over this section in front of my username and then right click here. Okay, so just right click here, or if you're using your MacBook's trackpad, just press on Control and then click once here, and then just select Advanced Options. And then for changing your username, it will require your MacBook's password. So just provide your MacBook's password and then press enter. And then here you will be able to see the options. And here you have the option to change your username. So here in front of your full name, you can change the username. For example, I'm going to just say test and the username is changed. You also have the option to change your login shell. By default, it's bin ZSH, but you can change it. Also, you have the option to change your home directory. So if you want to change the home directory, you can create a home directory under users folder on your MacBook and then choose that directory for that particular user. Once you're done, click on OK, and then your username is changed. If you want to revert the username, just go to the settings once again and then just change it once again, right? And then click on OK and the username is changed. So this is how you can change the username on your Mac operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video.